Okay, so we are going to balance some equations. So I'm just going to write them out and kind of walk you through how I would do them. Alright, so let's start with a simple one. So we're going to look at Ca, so calcium, plus oxygen, and that yields CaO. Alright, so on this one, basically what we need to look at is how many atoms of each thing do we start with. Okay. So if you write Alright, so on the left-hand side, so the reactant side, you have one atom of calcium. And if you look here, the oxygen has a 2 with it. So that means that we have 2 oxygen. But if you look on the other side here, we have just calcium again, but we only have 1 oxygen listed. So the calcium, we notice, that doesn't change. However, we do have a change in oxygen. So basically, to make sure the oxygens line up, we have to add a 2 to the product side. Okay, so now that's going to give us 2 here, which is going to make this agree. However, now we also have 2 on that calcium. So now we don't have this in agreements. So now all we have to do to make it balance is add a 2 to this side. So now if we add up our numbers again, this now becomes a 2, which balances with on the product side. Oxygen's already a 2, it balances with the 2 on the product side. So the reactants and products are now even. So now our finished equation, 2 Ca plus O2 yields 2 CaO. So that is a balanced equation.